Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the dust bag on the Dreame D30 Ultra. If you're interested in the D30 Ultra, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks. And we also have daily vacuum deals, so be sure to check out our daily vacuum deals website. Now let's go ahead, let's look on the station, let's find where the current vacuum bag is and how we can swap and replace it. So remove this cover just by pulling it away from the station, so towards yourself, and that's going to reveal the vacuum bag compartment here. We have a storage compartment, so we have an extra bag in that area, but our main vacuum bag will be right here. So just grab it, pull it straight up and out. This lid should come out and cover. If it's not, make sure it's pulled all the way up. So now you're not spilling all the contents while you go to carry it to throw it out. Then you can look in here, see if there's anything you want to clean. Just grab a can of compressed air or wipe it down. Then take your new vacuum bag, line it up, push it from the sides right here. This is pretty flimsy, so you don't want to push it that way. And then once it's pushed in, then you can take this cover, snap it in, just push it straight down, and you're all set and ready to go. To be able to then put this back on, it only fits one way. This is going to be the storage compartment side. Press it back on, and that's it. That is how you change the vacuum bag for the Dreame D30 Ultra.